welcome back to part 2 of lesson 14. This is just going to be real quick. Now we're going to put these decimals on a number line. So we've represented the decimals with rectangles that were divided up into 10 equal pieces. We've represented them with circles that were divided up into 10 equal pieces. Now we're going to put them on a number line. And guess what? The number line is divided into 10 equal pieces. So between the holes, so we've got our 0 here, and we've got our 1 here. Between the 0 and the 1, how many pieces do you think it's in? That's right, it's in 10. Between the 1 and the 2, how many pieces do you think it's in? That's right, it's in 10. You're so smart. So let's count just to make sure. So if this is 0, then this is 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10, 10/10, or 1 whole. Okay, now, usually we write it as a mixed number. So right here would be 1 whole and 1/10. Now we're writing it as a decimal. So 1 whole and, you put your decimal, and 1 whole and 1/10. 1 decimal 1. 1 whole and 1/10. Okay, back here, we didn't have any holes. So guess what? On the left side of the decimal, if there's no holes, you put a what? A 0. Now we have 1 whole, because here's the 1, we've passed the 1. 1 and 1/10. 1 and 2/10. 1 and 3/10. You say it. 1 and 4/10. 1 and 5/10. 1 and 6/10. 1 and 7/10, 1 and 8/10, 1 and 9/10. 2 holes. So we're going to come down here. So what I want you to do is on your notebook paper, you're going to write exactly what's right here. You don't have to copy the directions. You do not have to copy the number line, but you have to write A, and you're going to write the decimal next to it. You're going to go up here and you're look at where A is pointing. Where is A pointing? 0 and 1/10. So I'm going to put 0 and 1/10. You're writing this in your notebook and you're ready to share it when we meet. You're going to go to the B. What does the B represent? 0 and 2/10. And so on and so on. You're ready to share the answers when we meet back up. Pause the video so that you can complete this, please.